Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you if your brightness setting in Windows 11 or Windows 10 in your laptop not working, you can adjust it manually from a software or from the operating system. But make sure you update your display driver first. You can go to the device manager. Here, try to search a display adapter. This is the AMD Radeon that I'm using on my device. You can right click and update driver from here, or you can download manually. Search for in the Chrome or your browser the graphic driver, VGA driver that you can find on the internet. So try to update in the latest version of the driver. So then after that, you can adjust your brightness from the driver itself. Here, this is the AMD. You can set your display, adjust your brightness from here. And also there is this one. If you use this search and type display, there is some display setting that you can try. For example, calibrate display color. Here you can calibrate your display. Here you can use how to adjust the gamma, brightness here. So you can adjust your brightness using the Windows feature. So you can calibrate your monitor here. And also you can go to the setting. You can click on setting and click on system and click on display. Here, this is the display setting. You can go to the advanced display settings here. Try to adjust the refresh rate if you see the shadow or ghosting on your monitor. And also this is the nightlight setting that you can try. How you can adjust the strength. If you try to increase the strength, the monitor will be warm. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. As well as button below. See you in the next video.